The Garrett PD6500i walk-through metal detector provides effective screening for a wide variety of security applications. And the following accessories provide full mobility to allow rapid deployment at special events, stadiums, schools, and other large venues. This walk-through caster set enables a PD6500i to be easily moved by one person. No lifting is required. The secured power outlet eliminates tripping hazards and environmental damage. The PD6500i can be equipped with a battery module to provide 10 hours of continuous operation without power cables or other wiring. A 30-hour module is also available. Security directors can access all walkthroughs on their network from a remote Wi-Fi location using this optional CMA interface module to control detector settings, monitor activities, and analyze statistics. Settings can be adjusted easily with the optional IR wireless remote control. When the walkthrough detectors are not in use, they can be moved to a secure location to provide an unimpeded exit at the close of an event. Simply plug in the units to charge so they're ready for your next event. Put your trust in Garrett's expertise in large event screening. Call your security representative about the Garrett PD6500i Special Events Metal Detector.